All right, welcome back, YouTubers. Long time no talk. So we've run into a little bit of a hiccup with the charging of the Tesla. The other night, actually a few nights ago, this is probably last week now. Sorry for the lights. The charger, right there, was plugged into the car, and then, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes passed, I get a notification on my phone that charging has stopped. Anyways, I'll show you what happens. All right, here we go. So check this out. So green light right now. Everything's fine. I checked the breaker, checked everything. You know, it still opens the door. Like, everything works. You plug it in, and then if we go to the car, we go to the car and we go to charging. Yeah, we're gonna start charging, no problem. And this is what happens. It automatically goes into fault. So unplug the bloody thing. Anyways, long story short, I called Tesla. Service, they indicated that they'd be sending out a mobile unit, which they did, and they'd look at it. They also informed me that I should contact online support for the charger, because I did not know this. The charger actually has a 4-year warranty on it. They were able to diagnose the charger over the network. I don't know. Anyway, somehow they tapped into it, and they recognized that there's a fault in the charger. There's a defective component. So they're shipping me out a new charger, which I expect to arrive in the next couple of days. And I need to put this one back in the box, and I already have return shipping label, send it back to them. I guess they're going to diagnose it or whatever the case may be. But I had Tesla drop me off another charger anyways from the dealership that I visit in Barrie, Ontario. So I paid for another charger. And the reason for that is it's been quite the pain to live without a wall connector. And I know everyone says, oh, I bet, you know, they're going to say, oh, why don't you just plug it into a regular socket? Are you crazy? That would take forever. And no, I'm not going to use a wall socket for $100,000 car. That makes no sense. Anyways, for $500, I bought a second charger just as a backup. So if it ever die again, well, guess what? I had an electrician do all this extra wiring. I'll show you in a moment. And we're going to add another charger outside on my driveway for any guests that happen to come by that have a Tesla. They'll be able to charge in the driveway. And if this charger in the garage happens to fail again, for whatever reason, I'll have a backup. And I'm not plugging the car into a regular socket. That's just ludicrous. So the purpose for this video is we're going to put in a new charger. Stand by.